Hey everyone, welcome to Ton Time. This is Donnie, your host, and today I will be reviewing this magic plate by K&F Concept. This is a plate that folds flat so you can put on a camera and use on a tripod shoe, which I bought another full-size tripod by K&F as well, but I'll do that on a separate review. But this is a plate that would work on it and would be placed on a shoe. So you could either use this for a camera or fold it out to use with a phone, which is pretty cool. So I wanted that flexibility to use the same plate on a camera or be able to use it on a phone. So this is the boxing that it comes in. It's pretty nice retail packaging. It's designed for SLR, mirrorless DCs, and mobile phones. There's the website. This is the instructions in the. This is the quick instructions and tutorial in the back. Made in China. So let's go ahead and open up this bad boy and see what's in the box. Alright, so opening the retail packaging. So this has a little hook for stores who wants to sell it retail, which is cool. So it just kind of pops open and you can hang it for all you resellers out there. And let's see how you open this guy. So it looks like I need to open it on the bottom, so I'm going to cut that sticker there. Alright, sticker's cut. Opening it from the bottom, which is supposed to be a little challenging. Need my trusty knife again to help me out here. Okay, so as we open it up, it comes with this nice plastic case. Clamshell packaging, so you open this up. There's their logo. So they probably put it in a case like this for photographers as you carry multiple stuff in your bag, just to protect the plate. Clamshell packaging, foam insulation to keep this guy protected, and then as you can see, it says magic plate here. Usage scenarios, so there you see, for cell phones, for camera. Yeah. So here's the instructions, how it folds, and how you would put it on a camera. There's also a QR code that you could scan to watch. Yep. So that's what comes into this case. And this is the actual product. Nice orange look. So you got this quick thumb screw, which is pretty nice. You don't have to carry a flathead screwdriver or use your keys. You could adjust it this way, and then you could tighten it with your finger. And then let's see how this folds. So this goes spring-loaded for cell phones. Let's see how you open. Okay, so it folds forward like that, which is cool for cell phones. How does this fold? Okay, so this folds this way as well. So cell phone mode is pretty easy, it's toolless. So this thing could go flat, right? Could go flat like this, and you could put this on your camera, the bottom of your camera, screw it in, put it on your tripod hot shoe, or if you want to use this as cell phone, you open this flap on the top. And then this flap here on the bottom opens forward like that, and bam. You won't be using this on cell phone mode, but this thing's open enough so that you could put a big cell phone on here. So you could probably fit like an iPhone 12 Pro on here. I have a 10. Actually I have another cell phone here that I could test real fast. Let me grab it. So I have a spare phone here. I'm shooting on my iPhone X right now, but this is a 6S Plus. So let's see here. So if it works on a 6S Plus, fine. So this is how it would hold. Not too shabby. Spring loaded, so you can take it in and out really fast, which is good. And then if I want to use it to my camera, just close that. And close this. Then you're set. So pretty cool, nifty little tool. And you know, it's indented here for the hot shoe on your tripod to take it in and out. So I'll be using this mainly for my for shooting on my cell phone, but it's nice to have the flexibility of using this on a regular camera. So that's this product in a nutshell, and has a 1/4-inch screw. So yeah, that's everything in here. This is the magic plate. Everything comes in this nice little packaging, so you could carry this with for all you professional photographers out there. We have this nice little case that you could just put in your bag and it'll be protected, and if you want to use it later, just pull it out and you're good. So that's the review of this magic plate. It's pretty sturdy, it's made of metal. I think it would be good to have, so you can switch between cell phone and your hot shoe. So this has been another Time review. If you like the content, please hit that like button and subscribe if you can. And thanks for watching, guys. Peace out till next time.